Now we turn to Word page 80. This is where we're going to create sections and columns. A section is a portion of a document that is separated from the rest of the document by section breaks. And then section breaks are formatting marks that you insert in a document to show the end of a section. Once you have divided a document into sections, you can format each section with different column, margin, page orientation, header and footer, and other page layout settings. So by default, the whole document is formatted as a single section, but you can divide your document into many sections as you like. On page 81, and let's get started. So we're going to right click on the status bar. Just remember the status bar is down here at the bottom. So we're going to right click, and we're going to make sure that the section is checked. And there's our section. And ours is checked, so we're good to go. Now we're going to click on the Home tab here in our tabs, and we're going to show our hide the paragraph group. That's a paragraph symbol. It looks like a backwards P, so we turn that on. If you know, right now we can see the different places that we've pressed enter. That's showing the paragraph symbol. And we're going to click to the left of the heading for general considerations. See, right here's general considerations. So we're going to click right before that G. Now we're going to click on the layout tab up at the tab section. And then we're going to click on breaks. Now we want continuous. That's when we insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. So like we're going to set up some columns, so we want it to be a little bit different. So we're going to click on continuous. Notice that put that section break in, and if we didn't have that show hide button selected, we couldn't see that code. These are called codes. So now what we're going to do, since we want to start this on a different columns level, the layout tab's already selected, and we're going to choose columns. And we want more columns because we want to take a look at this. So if you notice here on our columns window, okay, we're going to select 2. Now we could have chosen 2 back on the other, but I'd like to show you a couple of things. So we're also going to click the spacing right here, the width and the spacing down arrow twice until we want it to be 0.3. Okay, so that's how much spacing in between the columns. Then we're going to click on OK. Notice it says this section, so we want to apply it to this section. So we click on OK, and we're going to click on the View tab and click on Multiple Pages so we can see how it's laying out. We've got our columns. Good job. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to press Control Home. That takes us back up to the top, and we're going to save our document. So remember, we can do File Save, or we can automatically use the Save in our Quick Access toolbar. So click on that, and it automatically saves it for us. Now, if you want to know any of the different types of section breaks, just look at the bottom of page Word 80, and it tells you the difference between like next page, continuous, even page, and odd page. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. You're good to go. Great job.